Next problem. Find the equation of the circle which touches the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 equal to 0 externally at the point 5 comma 5 with radius 5. So given circle is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. That is equation number 1. 1 implies 2g the coefficient of x, that is equal to minus 2. Therefore g is equal to minus 1. 2f the coefficient of y, that is equal to minus 4. f is equal to minus 2. And c the constant term, that is minus 20. Let the center of 1 be c1 and radius r1. So c1 is minus g minus f, that is equal to minus of minus 1 minus of minus 2, that is 1 comma 2. And the radius r1 equal to root of g square plus f square minus c, that is equal to root of minus 1 square plus minus 2 square minus of minus 20, that is equal to root 25, that is equal to 5. Let the center of the equated circle be c2. Let it be h comma b, right? Center be h comma k and radius r2. So given that the radius of the required circle is 5, that means r2 is equal to 5. Also given that the circle 1 touches the required circle externally at the point p5 comma 1. So externally means c2p, the distance, that is equal to r2. Now c2p is any point, right? So c2p which is equal to r2, the distance distance c2p which is equal to the radius r2 which is equal to 5, and c1p that is equal to r1 that is equal to 5. P is the point of contact of the both the circle, right? So from the center to P, right, r2 for the second circle, and from the center to P for the first circle, that is r1, right? So this is c1 1 comma 2, this is c2 h comma k. P is the point of contact, right? That is 5 comma 5. That is what they have given, P, right, the point of contact, right? So this is the line joining the center c1 c2. So c1p is the radius of the first circle, that is 5, and c2p is the radius of the second circle, that is also 5. So c1 c2 which is nothing but 5 plus 5, right, r1 plus r2. So we know that if c1 c2 is equal to r1 plus r2, then the circles are touching each other. In this case both the internal and external center of similitudes are exist, and the internal center of similitude is the point of contact of the two circles, right? So here p5 comma 5 is the internal center of similitude, right? That is the point of contact which divides the line c1 c2 internally in the ratio r1 is to r2, that is 5 is to 5, right? So we know that the point p x comma y which divides the line joining the points x1 y1 and x2 y2 in the ratio m is to n internally, then the coordinate of p is the formula, right, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Here x1 y1 is the center of first circle 1 comma 2, x2 y2 is the center of the second circle h comma k. Using the formula they have given point of contact, right, 5 comma 5. P is 5 comma 5, that is equal to 5 into h plus 5 into 1 by 5 plus 5, comma 5 into k plus 5 into 2 by 5 plus 5, right? So P 5 comma 5 is equal to 5h plus 5 by 10, comma 5k plus 10 by 10. So equating the corresponding coefficients, right? So we will get, so taking before that we simplify that. So take that 5 outside from the x coordinate, so 5 into h plus 1 by 10, so 5 and 10 get cancelled, so h plus 1 by 2, that is the x coordinate. Similarly take 5 from the y coordinate 5 into k plus 2 divided by 10. 5 and 10 get cancelled, so you will get k plus 2 by 2 equating corresponding coordinates. So h plus k by 2 is equal to 5. Therefore and k plus 2 by 2 is equal to 5. Therefore h plus 1 equal to 5 into 2 10, and k plus 2 is equal to 5 into 2 10. H is equal to 10 minus 1, that is equal to 9, and k is equal to 10 minus 2, that is equal to 8. Hence the center of the required circle h comma k is equal to 9 comma 8. So we know that the equation of the circle with center h comma k, radius r is x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. So the equation of the required circle is x minus 9 the whole square plus y minus 8 the whole square. Required circle radius is 5, right? That is what they have given, that is r2, right? That is equal to 5 square. So x square using a minus b whole square formula, x square plus 81 minus 18x plus y square plus 64 minus 16y equal to 25. That implies x square plus y square minus 18x minus 16y plus 145, right, minus 25. That is equal to x square plus y square minus 18x minus 16y plus 120 equal to 0, which is the required equation of the circle. Thanks.